You got something against your old man?
No.
Here,
I just don't know how to
press
control
it.
it.
Alright, go. Hey, you go ahead.
I'm just figuring out how to control it.
I know, I'm just playing.
Why?
Is the back rotor working? Yeah, it's working.
Do it other way, Sam.
Bust me in my head.
Yeah.
Try the other stick, see what it does.
Turn left and turn right.
Oh, yeah, dude, when it's laying on the side, don't try to do it.
Alright.
Can your dad try it?
Well, I'm just figuring out the control so you can throw it.
Oh, you're plugging that water to it. When you bring it down, bring that slowly. Ooh.
Like that?
No, try to land it, not thump it on the ground.
Helicopter.
Well, they officially ended Christmas. Charlie, you still got gifts over here.
I know.
He doesn't care.
I'm going. Alright.
Is this yours? Is that Charlie's?
Yes, that's from Ada's, yeah?
No, Ada's I already opened.
What's this one?
Oh, that's mine.
And how about this one? Oh.
Another remote control.
Really?
Oh,
A car.
that's Ada, yeah?
Oh, we were going to get you. Oh, they got it for you, man. We were going to get you this. I'm so glad we didn't get that. Cool. You get to play with this when I get the helicopter.
Nah.
What?
I like this.
You win, Dad and Sally. You win. You love your gift. Thank you.
You just halted Christmas, you did. You opened your present and that was it.
That's what, yes.
There, check out his new fishing pole.